Whether it is in the severe cold temperature of minus 35 degrees Celsius or the high temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, the chargers can provide a stable and reliable charging solution for new energy electric vehicles. The larger high and low temperature difference between the used environment of a charger means that water pumps which transport liquid need to reach the corresponding high and low temperature operating level. In order to ensure the safety and the reliability of the chargers, the charger manufacturer has strict requirements on water pumps. Topsflo has been deeply rooted in automotive electronic water pump industry for many years and has passed the strictest German TÜV ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality system certification. Thus, our pumps have more guarantee in quality management and control, and we could provide charger customers with water pumps in outstanding quality and stable performance. The TA60 charger water pump, independently developed by our company with 90% imported raw materials. Pumps are built in stable performance and resistant to high and low temperature. It can run stably in the extreme environment of minus 45 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, providing a solid power support to build a safer, smarter, and faster charger. Till now, Topsflo charger water pumps have been successfully applied in 65 countries and regions around the world. It is the reliable choice for more high-end charger manufacturers. Thanks for watching. See you next time.